In this guide, I will show you how you can cancel your Norton VPN subscription and get full refund. So the first step, guys, if you want to cancel your subscription, go to my account and then go to my subscription. After go to my subscription, you will see this page, my subscription. Look for manage renewal, this one, renewal. After go to this option, renewal, guys, click on cancel subscription. This is the first step. If you want to get a refund, guys, all you have to do, go to this URL, support Norton, and then choose purchase and billing, and then choose a request or refund. From here, select a reason you want to refund. For example, this thefted product. And then, guys, all you have to do, follow this sample prompts from your selection, some quick solution here. All you have to do, guys, click refund my subscription, and then, guys, fill this form. You find this form to refund your subscription. So, guys, go to the contact us, and then from the contact us, choose your request a refund. So, guys, this is case, choose the refund. So, guys, just complete this prompts, and then you will get your refund and write your email address. I hope this guide helpful for you guys. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. From cancellation, just choose my account and manage here, and then click on cancel the subscription.